Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can see more of me and my personality. I promise I don't always sound like this. I have a cold and unfortunately my nose is really blocked and I'm kind of sounding a bit under the weather. But usually I'm quite normal. Don't forget to like the video if you like the outfits that I chose. Today I'm wearing a really fun top. It's not lingerie, I promise. It is a top. It's a sexy top. And I am wearing a Victoria's Secret bra. That's why my boobs look so big. But it's a really nice, sexy top. If you're interested in it, I'll put a link in the description bar. But without further ado, let's get straight into the Zara haul. The first item that I got is literally my most favourite item, like, I think, of this year. I love so much stuff from Zara, but come on. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm so excited for summertime because I think it's going to look so cute when I'm away in summer and I wear it with some, like, white shorts. Oh, and I'm in those little, like, ancient places, like if I'm in Italy and I'm at the Colosseum, like this would be a cute little outfit with some nice little white shorts, right? Oh, I love it. Look at all that detail on the front. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Oh, you got the embroidery, you got the pearls, like it's just, ooh, it's stunning. It's stunning. Okay, trust me, this is an item I think it's gonna go and sell out really, really quick. So if you see it, grab it. Like, don't think twice about it, grab it. Because people are going to love this. Got this in a size small and it's $25.99. But really like that. I'll show you the back as well. Just say simple black back. Let me see, is it stretchy? Yeah, the back has some stretch to it, which is good. But oh, it's gorgeous. In regards to washing, I'll wash it by hand because the washing machine will loosen up the stitching effect in the front that's holding the pearls and stuff, and then they'll end up falling off. So wash it by hand, turn it inside out, give it a gentle wash, and it'll be alright. Here is that beautiful embroidery top on. I just paired it up with the leather skirt from Zara as I don't have any other item right now. Well, I do, but I'd have to go and find it in my bedroom and that'll just take ages and I'm just lazy. But it's such a cute crop top. Fits really well on my boobs. I'm wearing no bra. I am a 32D for reference and I got a small in this, so I feel like even someone who's larger than me can still fit in this. Like the cup size is nice and stretchy, but love it. It looks really, really cute. It's giving me like, I feel like Beyonce, you know, because like Beyonce loves to wear like, you know, really over the top things when she's on the stage. I just feel like bossy. But yeah, I feel really cute in this. Let me show you the back of it. As I said, I would pair it up with some white jeans just to keep it casual, like if I was like in the summertime away somewhere in Italy, like visiting the sites. Or if you want to wear it out, wear a nice little black mini skirt and that would give it a really cool, edgy vibe. Parting it up, bouncing it up and down. Next up was a cute little skirt. Love the colour of it and love the contrast stitching with the white. Really, really nice skirt. I think perfect for this weather where it's still kind of chilly outside and we want something that's fun, like going into spring, but a little bit still on the thicker side. It's a good material. It is nice and thick. Cute little skirt. Love the colour so much. Got it in a size extra small and it's only $19.99, which is a great price at Zara. And we've got pockets as well. Yeah, really, really loving that. And I would just pair it up with my favourite little crop top from my other closet. That little white one. And here is that beautiful dark brown skirt. Really nice and cute. I love little skirts. I used to hate them, but now I feel a lot more comfortable with my legs. Even though I've got new bruises and stuff that, oh, irritate me. I just don't care anymore. I want to live life, enjoy it, and wear whatever I want to wear and show off all my scars because I'm still beautiful with them. But yeah, cute little skirt. Fits really nice on me. Great around the waist and the hips and the butt area. And a nice little copy on again. But cute little look, right? Next up was a beautiful stretchy tweed skirt. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the bottom. Ooh, got all that beautiful thread. And then you got the like the blue and the white. Really, really cute. You got a nice elastic waist. It's gonna fit good on that waist of yours. And the colors are just really nice. I would bring this into winter as well. Like, you can wear it now, but even in winter that would look really, really nice. It's only $19.99. Wow, it is a steal. £10 for this skirt from Zara. Like, it's good quality as well. Zara has some odd sizing sometimes, and this is in a size small. And again, I would just wear it with that white crop top. Okay, so here is that cute little skirt on. Let me remind you, it's only £10 and it's so nice. Great feel to it, really nice and comfy. Love the elastic because it really sits on my waist nicely. Like, it's nice and tight. The skirt is nice and cute. Love the frill detail, although it's a bit annoying because sometimes you get like thread that just comes loose, but I can live with it. Then the crop top from Arrival Closet. So a cute little look, you know, in the daytime. Just to relax, enjoy yourself. Next up was a black jumpsuit. I don't own any jumpsuits, but I think they're really nice and fun, especially if you just want to walk around the house and be comfortable. Only issue with them is when you want to go and pee, you have to take everything off. That's the annoying part. Because at least play suits, you can kind of like, you do that thing when you like, I don't know if everyone else does this, but I like take my underwear out of one and then like I push it to the side, the play suit, and then I pee like that. I don't know, maybe I'm weird, no one else does that, but I do because I don't want to take it off. But yeah, it's got a hint of lace. I don't know if you can notice it. Can you see? A hint of lace. Material quality looks okay. It's not as thick as some of the items that I have seen in the Zara before. They definitely could have used a thicker material, but it still doesn't look see-through, and that's me really pulling at it. And I guess I want to make it, you know, comfortable and wearable in like spring and summer. So it is nice and long, got kind of nice little legging feel at the bottom, and then again got that lace at the bottom. Really nice. I would pair it up with a nice denim jacket and some white trainers and just hit the streets, you know, a little Sunday at Aldi or Asda or Tesco or Sainsbury's or Lidl or Morrison's, wherever you go to. And it's $29.99. Here's that black bodysuit on. Very body hugging, like everything is on display. Oh my. But it's really nice and comfy. I would probably wear this around the house. Like, I just feel so comfy in this. It's a nice little loungy thing. It is expensive, but cute for like just, yeah, wearing around the house. As I said, only annoying thing is you have to like take it all off to use the bathroom. But you can still wear it outdoors as well. Let me just show you with a nice little jacket. So I have this bomber jacket from Arrival Closet. Ooh, open up, girl. So this is how I would pair it up, with this bomber jacket and then some like trainers. I like the jacket because it's super like over the top. You've got the pink on the side, and then I'll show you the back. Look at that embroidery. But yeah, it just makes it a bit more fun with that over the top jacket that's doing all the work, and the jumpsuit just to be super nice, comfy and plain. I'll put a link in the description bar to the jacket if you are interested. Next up was a black and brown, yeah, little dress. Love the buttons in the front. You know I'm a lover of buttons. Long sleeve, love the stripe print. Great quality material, nice and thick. Yeah, what a nice and little funky piece as well. You wouldn't really see this a lot out, would you? It's like really nice and funky. I love the look of it. I know I always talk about material with Zara, but it is really important to establish how good the quality of Zara is. You would not get this same quality in other retailers like online shops. Zara does do really good quality. Not all the time, majority of the time it does. Got this in a size small and it was $29.99. Super excited about this. A nice little cozy dress to like lounge around the house and, you know, do a quick errand. Okay, so I just found out the buttons are actually on the back, which is kind of weird because I thought you'd want to have the buttons in the front to show them off. But nonetheless, the dress is still really nice and cute. Only downside I would have to say, it is a bit on the short side. So, you know, it's a very risque and sexy dress. I don't know, I've never been clubbing, but I would wear this clubbing, like if you want to be like covered up but like still sexy, because you are showing off your curves but not showing off any skin except from your legs. But let me show you the back. Like, I should have been at the front, right? I guess it's cute at the back too. But yeah, it's a really nice comfy dress. Just, ooh, I don't know, it's a little bit on the short side. I can feel it rising up, you know. A few moves and everyone will see my underwear. Next up was something that I saw online. It looks so different in person. Online, it did not look like this material at all. I still like it, but it's just odd because it doesn't look like this at all. So it's a play suit. Let's actually check. Oh no, it is a dress. Okay, it's like a layered dress. It's a layered dress, and then it's got long sleeves. It's on this like shimmery material. Can you see it? It's really pretty, but I was not expecting this online. It looks so much different online. Got in a size small, $69.99. It is on the pricey side, but it is really pretty. I hope it's gonna look nice on. I love the color of it. It's not like a silver, like it's got a hint of brown in it as well. Do you notice that? Yeah, I really love this. The color is really nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. Here is that shimmery dress on, and oh my gosh, I really like it. The color wasn't what I was expecting. It looks so different online, but it's so pretty. Material is so good as well. Really nice and soft, but this is so pretty, right? And it's so much fun. I love that it's like a high neck, like it's fully covering everything. All you've got to expose is your leg. But I love that. It's nice and like fun but conservative. You're not showing off your whole body, which is sometimes just nice. I love this. This is so pretty. Yeah, really comfy. Material's nice and stretchy. I'll wear this out for like a little party, you know, little get together with some nice little silver heels, maybe a little date night. But yeah, this is really cute and fun. Next up, I got another basic top. Basic tops are just so important. They just work so well with so many things. Basic top with a nice little cutout on the side, $19.99, long sleeved, and in a size small. And to pair it up, I got these floral trousers from my closet just to pair it up. Nice little summer effect, nice and thin, nice little nice print on them. Got a zip on the side. Thought it would just look cute with those two together. You know, just a nice little summery piece. Okay guys, so here is that top from Zara. As you can see, you got the cutout on the side, just showing off one of your shoulders. Nice and comfy. I am wearing a black bra, so that's why you can see it underneath. I would probably wear something like nudish, so similar to my skin colour, so that you can't see it as clearly. And then I've also wore the trousers as well from my closet. Really nice, comfy, very summery. Yeah, just a cute little look, hey? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for putting up with my horrible voice. Hopefully I can come back recovered and well and have a lot more energy. But do subscribe to the channel, do like this video, follow me on Instagram. My name is Payda101, and I will see you beautiful people really soon. Bye.